is Misha Super L. Today is the Let's Do, and now you get this very, and now you get just hold time and very get to the spring. It's spring. It's springtime. And you get the very today last day May. Today last day May. It's your 31st. In 2020. Right? Was getting the taking 4. Look at that. It's so very. Look at the clouds. Now very it's coming a rain. It's raining outside. It's coming in 3. Also coming a summer season. It's tomorrow's summer. At the June 1st. Very just system. I'm very home maybe of flying swell. Look at that, just spring. It's a tomorrow's summer, so you get this season on June 1st. It's first. And there's just, look at that, there's just clouds. It's raining outside. Yeah. How very it was taking. You see that? Yeah, I see it. I'm very on this. Taking. It's raining outside. It's clouds and it's coming. Don't worry. It's just thunder early. It's thunder. Okay, Blueberry wasn't taking. And the berry taking this was. And Blueberry wasn't taking. It is very. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. So please subscribe, smash Super L, clap like. And now is please thumbs up in the description down below and use for and hit that subscribe. And you're just in a very hot time. And tomorrow is June 21st at 2020. At the relation. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. And subscribers, see you next time. Bye.